Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 9 to 15, 2023. Ayan, so before we begin, promote ko lang itong inyong Aries bracelet. Ayan, so this is for alignment ng Aries energy. So we have Red Jasper, Tiger's Eye, and Citrine. So available na po ito sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let us see, Aries, ano ang ganap sa inyo. October 9 to 15. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Gamitin lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, your energy for this week. 8 of Pentacles. Very, very busy. Focusing on your money, money, money. Okay? Meron kang minamaster na skill, pinagbubutihan mo. Your challenge is the sun. Siguro yung iba sa inyo medyo hindi nabibigyan ng time yung sarili nyo na to go out, to have fun. Yung iba naman kulang sa oras para sa inyong mga anak. So, your opportunity is the 5 of Wands. So, meron kayong opportunity na ayusin ang isang problema or hindi pagkakaunawaan within your group, within your family, within your friends. And let's see the blessing. Ano yung blessing? Page of Pentacles. A new opportunity. This can also mean learning opportunities for you. Maaring meron kang blessing ngayon na parating na training. So, itong training na to, magdadagdag ng bagong kaalaman. And syempre, the more you know, the better you become. Oo. So, some of you also meron kayong matatanggap na pera, no, from someone. Or, yung inyong naipon, no, maaring susubukan nyo to sa isang negosyo. Ayan. Magne-negosyo kayo. So, let us clarify. Aries. Ano tong 8 of Pentacles? What is the 8 of Pentacles? 7 of Wands. Very protective ka sa iyong trabaho, sa career mo. Parang ayaw mong magpa-istorbo. Busy ka. Oo. Alam mo yung parang excited ka sa mga ginagawa mo, sa project mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. What is the Sun? The King of Wands. Yes, I think iba sa inyo hindi masyadong naglalabas or hindi kayo masyadong nakakagala. So, kung nagyayaya ang inyong mga anak, kung may anak na kayo, or yung inyong special someone, pagbigyan nyo, no? Para na rin yun, treat nyo na rin yun sa sarili ninyo. What is the 5 of Wands? The 3 of Cups. Reunion. O, yung iba sa inyo, pag yung mga problema, issue ninyo sa kaibigan, naayos nyo na yan. Oo, may opportunity na makapag-usap, kumbaga mabigyan ng solusyon kung ano ang inyong mga misunderstandings. What is the Page of Pentacles? Judgment. Merong malaking pagbabago sa finances mo. This is a positive change for you. Lalo na kung magiging focus ka talaga dyan. Kaya siguro ayaw mo magpa-istorbo. Sobrang focus ka sa ginagawa mo ngayon. Oo, yung iba, aral, ganon. Research. Tignan natin yung money. Money, kaperahan. Oo, diba? May blessings. Unexpected fortune is about to come. This is a great time to enjoy the blessings pouring in. Your finances are doing well at the moment. You have a decision to reconsider sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. Pwedeng nakapag-decide ka na niyan, pero sinasabi ng universe na, i-check mo, double check mo, sigurado ka na ba, yan ba talaga yung gusto mo? And then, do not live beyond your means. Medyo maging maingat sa pag-handle ng finances mo. Wag mag-overspend. Iwasan mo na yung paggamit ng credit card or anything related sa, utang. Yan. Para, maayos yung cash flow mo. Money, finances. Six of Cups and the Queen of Swords. Possible na yung mga dati mong gawa, yung mga dati mong gawain na hindi healthy for your finances, you're going to stop doing it. Alam mo na kasi yung makakabuti for you. With the Knight of Cups, I feel like there is someone na nag-i-inspire sa'yo ngayon na maging productive at maging maayos sa pag-handle ng finances. This can be the person that you're dealing with or someone na na-inspire ka kasi nakikita mo na maganda yung epekto sa kanya ng pagtitipid or pag-invest. So, kumbaga, ikaw nakikita mo yung resulta sa kanya nung magandang habit pagdating sa finances. So, yun yung susundin mo. Sa love naman, may secret. Ano? Bakit may secret? Maaring merong secretly in love sa inyo or may interest sa inyo. Tapos, pwedeng na-misinterpret nyo to. Alam mo yun, may mga nang aasar sa'yo or this can be someone na nakakairita sa'yo na hindi mo alam kaya siya ganun sa'yo dahil may gusto siya sa'yo. So, nung nainis ka na sa kanya, doon niya na na-realize, ay mali. Mali pala yung kanyang way of getting closer to you. Oh, diba? Page of Cups. Two of Pentacles. Pwedeng nasa trabaho mo to. Very passionate tong energy na to sa'yo, ng person na to. I feel like in love. Someone is in love. Someone wants to be closer sa'yo, no? So, nasa sa'yo yan if you will let this person to be close to you. But I think maganda naman yung kanyang intention. Mali lang yung approach niya sa'yo. Power. Okay. The ability to suck it up is not a superpower. Saying no is. Own your power. Yes, it's okay to say no, no? Lalo na kung minimin mo talaga yan. Being authentic sa sarili mo. Oo. You have the power to decide for yourself. So, it's okay kung meron kang hindi hahayaang maging close sa'yo or may tatanggihan ka. Kasi it's your life, it's your decision. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.